Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sydney Simone, and today's video is another episode of Vlogmas. I'm giving y'all a little tutorial on how I got this real cute hairstyle. I had to do something cute for Christmas and the New Year, so y'all just did like these two braided ponytail pigtails. This is the video for today. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. Hey besties, so of course this process started with me having to blow dry my hair out. This is freshly washed, moisturized, and detangled hair, and I'm just taking it section by section, trying to get it as blown out as possible.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
After I done blow drying my hair, and now it is time to flat iron.
Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. Is blood.
So I am almost done flat ironing my hair. After I got done, I got my mom to part my hair straight down the middle because I was having a problem seeing the back of my hair. So in the next clip, you'll see that my hair is parted straight down the middle and I have two buns. The next step is to try to get our hair as slick as possible before putting it in the ponytails and adding the braiding hair. So this is the edge control that I'm using. It's called Edge Effect. It's only like $5 or $6 at the hair store. So I just put some of that edge effect onto my edge brush, and I'm just putting it all around the perimeter of my hair and just brushing, putting gel and brushing, putting gel and brushing, because I'm just trying to get my hair as slick as possible. And I'm also trying to get the form of the ponytail right. So this is just a little repetitive process of me trying to slick my hair down and trying to get it in the right place for the ponytail.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood.
So I finally have my ponytails in, and now I'm trying to perfect my baby hair / edges. This is honestly the longest part of the process, just trying to get your hair slick, especially when you have natural hair and when you're not heavy-handed. It's kind of hard. So as y'all can see, I was like struggling in the beginning, but I was slowly but surely figuring it out. Once I finally got my baby hairs laid how I wanted them, I tied it down with a do-rag. And now I'm just showing you guys the braiding hair that I'm using. It's the Queen Bee braid 3-in-1 or 3 bundles plus 1. So it had 4 bundles in it. And I used the color 1B. So now I'm taking off my do-rag and I'm just making sure my hair looks good. I'm combing it out a little bit with a rat tail comb so I can prepare to add the braiding hair. So the way I did it, I just took the hair straight off the pack just like this, and I tied that rubber band around my ponytail as many times as I could just to get the braiding hair on there as tight as possible. I ended up doing the first braid off camera so I could make sure I knew what I was doing before I showed you guys. So now I'm just repeating that first step again on the second ponytail side, just wrapping that rubber band around as tight as possible. And then I'm taking out one section of hair because this section is going to go around the braid at the very end. So I wrapped that piece of hair just kind of around my head, as you can see, and I just kind of secured it on the other side. And now I need to get my braiding hair into 3 sections so I can prepare to braid. So I'm getting 3 even sections, and I'm also getting 3 even sections of my real hair to put with each piece of braiding hair. Try to make sure you get the hair in your fingers to where your real hair is under the braiding hair, because as you're braiding, you're going to be trying to tuck your real hair under the braiding hair. And you're also going to want to have some of your edge control handy, because you're going to need that to help keep your real hair slick if it does show, and to help blend it in with the braiding hair. Once I had my 3 sections of braiding hair and real hair, I just started braiding down. And as you can see, I was adding a little bit of gel as I went. One mistake that I did make is sometimes I added a little bit too much gel. And so some of those parts did turn a little white. So make sure you don't add too much gel. Only add it to like your real hair when you need it. Also, make sure when you're braiding that you're running your fingers all the way down through the braiding hair, just to make sure it doesn't get tangled. I know y'all saw me struggling a few clips ago with the hair kind of getting tangled at the bottom. So yeah, I'm just braiding down, and I'm trying to keep the braid as neat as possible, trying not to move my hands around too much because I just want it to look really neat. And now that I'm done braiding, I'm just kind of fixing little parts where my hair was sticking out. I'm just adding a little gel. And then I also took a rat tail comb and kind of poked wherever my real hair would be sticking out. I just kind of poked it back into the braid. And now it's time to get that excess hair that we left out earlier, because like I said, we're going to wrap that around the rubber band of the ponytail. So as you can see, I'm just wrapping that around. I'm adding a little bit of gel to it. And usually when people do this part, they just wrap the hair until they can't wrap it anymore. But because my braids weren't that thick, it looked funny if I wrapped all of that hair around the rubber band. Like, it got to the point where that part was thicker than the braid. So what I ended up doing was spraying this Got2b glue gel, and then I just cut the excess hair. And then I just bobby pinned it in place, and I just tried to bobby pin it in a way where the bobby pin wouldn't show. And then I just sprayed it with the glue some more, and it ended up being good. And just in case y'all need to see me do that part again, here's me doing it once I finish the first braid. Back to when I finished both braids, I sprayed my whole head with the Got2b glue spray. I also ended up getting my mom to slick the back of my hair for me, because if y'all can tell, I had a few flyaways in the back that I couldn't see. So I got her to slick that for me, and then I tied my hair down again with a do-rag, and I just let that sit for a little bit. And lastly, I wanted to add some shine to my hair. I felt like the edge control that I used made my hair just a little dusty, like I had like a small white cast. So I sprayed this Main Choice oil in my hands and just rubbed it all over my hair, and I put a little bit on the braids as well, because I wanted my hair to shine like when I got it done professionally.
With your girls, 'cause I don't know who's out there watching, but I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow.
Alright, besties, so that's the video for today. This time my hair came out. I really like it. It's so cute and adorable. The only thing I'll probably change is next time I do it, I'm going to make the braids thicker. I couldn't really tell based on like the amount of hair I was using how thick the braids were going to be. And like, they're cute. They don't look funny or anything, but I do wish that they were thicker. So next time I'm just going to use more hair. If you get the exact same pack of hair that I got, it came with like 4 bundles. So I'm going to say use 2 bundles of braiding hair for each braid if you want a thicker look. But this is cute. It's okay for my first time. So yeah, this is how it came out. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, become a bestie, because I know you're gonna love it here. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.